What could be more natural than taking a breath? Well, it seems some of us might be getting it wrong. A new research project at the University of Kent at Medway is working on the best way to breathe while exercising and helping to develop technology to tell us when we're doing it right and what we might be getting wrong.
So we know a lot of individuals report breathing problems during exercise, and what we find is very difficult to measure how an individual is breathing. So by using our technology, we can start to map about what maybe a normal breath is and what an abnormal breath is, and then we can start to teach people about how they can improve their breathing technique.
Tech company Smartlife has developed technology which can be put into clothing and will report back on heart rate and breathing function. Using the type of sensors which map body movement in CGI films, the university researchers are working out what those signals tell us about how the user is actually breathing. Perhaps too shallowly from the chest or stomach.
For the next 2 years, we're going to try to create a garment that can measure chest wall movement. At the moment, this is the only way to do it. So these are retroreflective markers. It takes a lot of time and money. You have to have a lot of expensive cameras, so it's not practical for everyday life. So we'll be using this data to create a t-shirt that can do it at home. And it can tell you what breathing pattern you have and hopefully how to train to optimally breathe.
Is the idea that some of us are getting it wrong?
Well, no one knows what the optimal breath is, so that no one's really looked into it. So this is kind of what we're trying to figure it out.
Through this collaboration, the team hope to create wearable technology that identifies not only healthy breathing patterns, but unhealthy ones too.
Kent University are experts in looking at respiratory dysfunction, so this will allow us to give them hopefully a more portable and cost-effective way of measuring issues around breathing dysfunction. And what we get from it is a much deeper understanding of respiration and how we can advise people to increase their endurance capabilities. And if you look at it at the other extreme, we hope that we'll be able to translate this into a medical product and we can advise people with a COPD or an asthma condition.
Once the research is complete, the wearable technology might help people breathe easy, from jogging enthusiasts to elite athletes to those with respiratory problems. Sarah Saunders, ITV News, Chatham.
Brilliant.